What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the AirPods Max headphones. And I'll also show you what it's like to pair them with an Android phone and an iPhone. There are no Apple stickers in this box. So we're going to try out some spatial audio. It's pretty impressive actually. It works. Wow, not bad. It really sounds like it's like coming from the phone. Damn. If you can try these, I would recommend trying them. It's pretty impressive. What is pretty cool about these headphones is how easy it is to change the head cups pieces on them. You just go like this and it comes right out. And then they just magnetically attach back. Which is pretty nice. The Bose headphones are definitely lighter. These are quite heavy, like, my goodness. They're very heavy. And I'm not sure I'm a huge fan of this carrying case because you can't really pack the headphones away without it. And also they seem to be pretty prone to denting the sides without it. And personally, I do not want to have to carry this around because it's not really, I don't know. There's also no on off switch on these, which I don't know, we'll see if it's actually a problem or not, but I really like just having a physical on and off, physical volume up, down, pause, play, pause. Putting these on, the first thing I notice is how damn heavy they are. They seem pretty comfortable though. So I'm going to play some music. We'll see what the sound leakage is like and what the audio quality is like as well. I prefer the sound signature of these to the Bose. It's more airy and feels more open. And the treble is not as harsh. The first thing I noticed putting on these Bose headphones is how much lighter they are than the Apple ones. Like it's refreshingly light, which is worrying because these are really heavy and I've only worn them for a short time. And the first thing I thought was, my goodness, these are heavy. These are light, they're very comfortable. I'm now going to play some music and I'll just tell you what I think. It's just opinion, it's not like, you know, music's very subjective, sound is very subjective, and I don't have any measurement tools that you can actually listen to these through or give you like a sound graph. So it's just going to be my opinion. I don't know if you can hear the sound leakage or not. These sound decent. I think the AirPod Maxes are better though. These are still good. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the AirPods Max and quick comparison with the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s. I think overall, my opinion is that these headphones are really good if you have a lot of money, but for $900, you can get like multiple pairs of really nice headphones, like one in-ear, one over-ear. And I just don't think I could personally recommend these to myself. And I have these, so I think these are like 90% of what these are. The sound is just a little bit better on these. But there's a lot of downsides of these. Like, you know, I think walking around late at night, I'd be scared someone's gonna try and steal these from me. Because they're really shiny and, you know, people will see them and go, oh, you know, that's $900. On top of that, they're very heavy. I really noticed that, and it digs into my head. It's like a clamp, and on the top I feel it. Whereas these are really light. You don't even know you're wearing them. You could wear them for like 10 hours. I think with these I couldn't do that. And to pay more for slightly better sound, slightly better noise cancelling, but a downgrade in comfort, for me, yeah, it's $900. Like, no, I don't think it's worth it. So yeah, and they don't fold. No folding, and you got to carry that weird case. You got to charge with Lightning, no USB-C. But I think if you have all Apple products in here and you have unlimited money and you're not worried about people like stealing these from you on the street, these are good. These are really good. They really work well with the Apple system. Like, you know, if you have a Mac and an iPad and an iPhone, they just magically sync between them all. So yeah, if you're happy to pay the money, the convenience is there for you. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Subscribe if you want to see more. Like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, dislike it, and put a comment and tell me why you disliked it so I can make it better for next time. Peace out.